Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today, you guys, I finally got aboard the air purifier train. I wasn't sure if I needed one. My house is always dusty though, so I mean, I probably do. And I do have asthma. And I'm like, ooh, I probably should get one. But what sold me was somebody said it really helps with litter box smell. And I have 4 cats. So no matter, even though I have the litter robot, and so it's constantly cycling, it's still, I can still smell it. I hate it. So we're going to give it a shot. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know if you already have one, or if you have a air purifier that's maybe not Scentsy, or if you're interested, let me know. And let's get into it. Like I said, I wasn't sure if I was going to get one. They're pricey. This month is actually the month to get one because they're normally $250. And right now, because we are in our transition month, meaning this is the last month of our spring summer catalog, they're $225. So that was great. But then I used my hostess credit, my hostess rewards, which you need 3 half price items in your hostess rewards to get this half off. So I got it half off. And I actually have another one coming. So I'm excited. So I'm super excited. Yay. So let's open it up. Okay. Oh, it has a quote too. You guys know I love the quotes. It says, we never look back. If we never look back, we never get to see how far we've come. Heidi, so true. So true. Okay. So let's go ahead and get this out. And I just watched a video to see how to use it as well, because I'm learning as I go. Like I said, I wasn't like thinking I needed one, but then other people told me that I actually did need one, and so I'm going to go for it. Okay, so let's get this big box out of my face. Get the big box out of my face. I got all these bulbs. I've been doing all these videos with the bulbs. You guys, hot mess express coming through. Toot toot. Okay, so we are going to take this out of the package. Okay, now from what I saw, I watched Spice Dawn's video. It has this arrow, this little sticker arrow to tell you to open up the filter. So you just kind of twist and pop up, because the filter, which is at the bottom, is wrapped in plastic. So you got to get that plastic off. So let's go ahead and do that. And these filters last 30 to 40 days, they said. So that's kind of awesome. So you just pop it back in, put this here, and twist, and it should lock into place. And so we're now ready to turn it back upside down to the right side up, I guess you would call it. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get the cord, and I'll show you where to plug it in just a moment, and then we'll talk about it a little bit. I'm super excited, you guys, because I've tried everything with that dang litter box. My litter box is it's like $500 for a litter box. It's like the robot one. And so when the cat goes in and does its business, in 8 minutes after, like, the cat, so it doesn't scare the cat, it cycles the litter and takes the dirty litter out and puts the clean litter back in. But there's still a smell. I didn't think there'd be a smell. I paid all that money and there's still smell. Okay, so here in the back, you have your little plug-in, okay? I love that. And remember, these have lifetime warranty, so that's always amazing. Okay, so let me go ahead and plug her in. All right. I don't want to knock this over. No, Dakota, this is not the time, homie. Okay. So let's go through the indicators, okay? So you see all the indicators on the side here. This right here is that I think is the indicator when it is dirty. When it's time to change it, that light comes on, I believe. Up to 2 Scentsy pods, 3 fan settings. Okay, so let's go to, let's see. The pods go on the top. Okay, air quality indicator light. All right. So the top button, that's the power button. We turned her on. We got her going. And I hear her. I hear her going. The next button right here is a timer. You can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. For me, I think because I go cycle my litter box, because this is where it's going to go, right by the litter box. So I cycle the litter box every morning when I get up, and I think that's when I'm going to turn this on and have it running during the day. The next one, so that's for the timer. The next one right here is for different settings. Okay. Ooh, that's high. Ooh, that one's really pumping now. Okay. So it says 3 fan settings, auto mode, low, and high. In auto mode, the fan will automatically switch to high to quickly clean the air when it identifies a pollutant. Okay. So the filter that we got in there is a HEPA H13 filter, capable of removing at least 99.95 of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. I don't know how small that is, but I'm assuming it's pretty small, including dust, pollen, mold, bacteria, and releases clean air through the Scentsy pods. Oh, nice. Super excited. Okay. Run it continuously or set on a timer. Air quality indicator light. Okay, so this right here. Oh, did I turn it off? I think I turned it off. I did. Okay, just going back on. Okay, so this light around the edge here, when it detects like bad air, it'll turn red to let you know that this sucker is working. It's working, okay? So I'm excited. I'm going to go ahead and put my pods in. I had got these, they were on was it in the flash sale? Oh no, I remember where I got these. When I went to Scentsy Family Reunion, they had the mystery boxes, and I got these. It's the mandarin and mango nectar. That was from last year. Ooh, I bet that is going to smell so good. And each pod has 120 hours worth of scent. So you can actually put different scents in there as well, so that you can mix your scents and do a little mix up. Ooh, it already smells good. You guys, I'm excited about this. So I'm going to set it up over where the litter box is. And then tomorrow, I'm going to let you guys know. I'm going to do a review before I post this video. I'm not going to post this video until I find out what I'm talking about as far as the litter box. We're going to see if that's true or if it's hearsay. Amber Heard. Sorry, I had to. All right, you guys. So I'm super excited. I want to see if this helps, because every time I go in my living room, other people can't, but I can smell it. I can smell it, and I'm like, I spent a lot of money on that litter box, and why can I still smell it? I don't like that. Anywho, very cool. I'm excited, and we're going to set it up, and then we'll go ahead and do a review. Right. Yay. Wish me luck. Okay, so that is the culprit. That is the bane of my existence. So here we are going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And we're going to get it going, and I'm actually going to run it overnight on high. So we got that going. Let's see how it works. Because even though I have Scentsy going in here, and I have a lot of Scentsy going, my nose can smell that litter box. So, wish me luck. So, I left it going all night. You guys, I literally do not smell the litter box. There's a cat in there right now. There's Ryan. Hello, Ryan. But yeah, I don't smell it at all. And I purposely made sure that my Scentsy warmers had old wax in them. Like, they need to be changed. And so, super excited, you guys. I don't smell it at all. Oh, I'm never turning it off. I'm just going to let it keep running and running and running. I'm not going to put it on timer. The thing works like a champ. Oh my gosh. If you have a litter box, you need one of these. I love it. I absolutely love it. So, 2 thumbs up from Vickie. 1, and then the other one's up too, but it's holding the phone.